Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming here with another cool product from flareaudio.com. This is their Flares Jet 3 units. There's 3 different versions of this in different builds. This one is the Jet 3 one that's made with titanium. So pretty cool that way. Precision turned titanium. The Jet 2 is made with aluminum and Jet 1 with polymer. So I got to tell you, they look great. They feel great. You can use them, of course, for making your calls or listening to music, doing whatever you want to take and do with them that you normally do with the earphones. It's got remote music and phone call control built into it, a 10mm driver. They're very tough and durable with a stress-tested cable and gold-plated connectors. It comes in 3 different sizes of ear silicone tips. There's small, medium, and large, and it comes with a flare leather pouch included as well. So we got a chance to test these out. I got to tell you, they claim that the way the technology works to maximize the front output of the earphone is a way that reduces distortion levels and boosts overall volume, enabling the driver to perform as efficiently as possible. I got to tell you, I was pretty impressed with the quality of bass and mid-range that comes off of these. They actually put out really good bass, and I normally don't hear good bass in a earphone very well, and they do a really good job of that. My only issue was with them is the treble is incredibly tinny. Like, it just, for me, it sounds like somebody's just banging on a garbage can top the whole time. It's very tinny and sharp, if you will, if you're used to listening to earphones and stuff. Now, if you're probably a normal person who doesn't listen to, earbuds and headphones the way that I do, we have reference ones here in the office, and we do this professionally. You may like these. You may like the bass in them. There's really actually an amazing amount of bass to them, but I can't stand the tinniness of it with my ears. But you may like it, especially a lot of people. Usually, people tend to like a lot of treble in their music. Anyway, other than that, I think they're fairly good earphones to take and utilize, especially if you're not listening to high quality music through them. You're not looking to use these for some in that format. If you're just using them at the gym or wherever you're doing, I think they'd be great little earbuds. Anyway, guys, check them out. Flareaudio.com. The Flares Jet 3s. Definitely, the titanium looks really well and should hold up really well, etc., etc. Check them out, and we'll see you next time.